Amazon Visa Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you shop on Amazon even a few times a month, this card could quietly be saving you hundreds of dollars every single year. But most people get this card wrong, and they miss out on value they are already paying for. The Amazon Visa Card is designed to reward frequent Amazon shoppers with simple, automatic savings. Right away, you earn cash back on every Amazon and Whole Foods purchase. This cashback is usually 5%, which is far higher than most general cashback cards. That means if you spend $2,000 a year on Amazon, you are automatically getting around $100 back without changing your habits at all. You also earn solid cash back on gas stations, restaurants, and drugstores, plus base rewards on everything else. These rewards are redeemed as Amazon credit, which means your next purchase is cheaper. It feels small, but over a year it adds up fast. The surprising truth about this card is that it has no annual fee, yet it includes protections usually found on premium cards. You get purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, travel accident insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. Most people do not realize that these protections can save hundreds if something goes wrong with a big purchase. The welcome bonus often gives new cardholders instant Amazon credit after approval. Many people use that bonus to buy household essentials, making the card pay for itself immediately. Now for the downsides. You only get the full 5% back if you are a Prime member. Without Prime, your Amazon rewards are lower. Also, rewards are best used on Amazon. If you want flexible travel redemptions or statement credits, this is not the right card. Who should get it? If you shop on Amazon regularly and already pay for Prime, this is one of the easiest yes cards in personal finance. You are basically earning money back on purchases you would make anyway. So is it worth it or leave it? For Amazon and Whole Foods shoppers, it is absolutely worth it. It is one of the simplest ways to turn everyday spending into automatic savings.